Hi, my name is Rose and I'm a new patient here at RevitalyzeMD. My daughter is a nurse here at Revitalized and she has suggested that maybe I come in for some lip filler. At first I was a little scared and didn't know what to expect. I knew that I needed something because, of course, with age, my lips had lost definition. So I decided to come in and give it a try. When I came in to RevitalizedMD, the whole staff makes you feel very comfortable as soon as you walk through the door. And when I came for the procedure, I was afraid, but the girls, self-assure you, and then the one doing the procedure gave the numbing cream, and throughout the procedure you're comfortable, and when they finished I was able to look in the mirror and I was very pleased with the results. And when I got home and saw my husband, he was like, dynamite. So I know that I definitely will be getting some more procedures done. I would definitely recommend RevitalizedMD to anyone that is looking to have lip filler or any other procedure done. When you walk through the door, they make you feel comfortable, and through the whole entire procedure, you feel good about being here and you feel great when you leave.